David lit the candle and left it on the sill. The clever student likes to study the Bible. The lady has a fireplace made of marble. I did not scribble on the page of the copy. Martin cannot cycle as he has a sore ankle. Did Jeff win the small silver bugle in the raffle? Holy Mary did not grumble in the cold stable. That little lady has a nasty pimple on her chin. The girl with the fiddle has a freckle on her nose. The blind child is in the middle of a small puddle. The baby is able to babble and shake her rattle. This talented actor can juggle 5 little plastic balls. I find it a struggle to get up on a cold winter morning.